Hi everyone, this is Mish Schneider, Chief Strategist of MarketGauge.com. And this is no surprise to hear from me that I have been really following very carefully the vanity trade. Some people now calling the lipstick trade. Some people saying, especially if you look at somebody like Michael Burry, who basically liquidated his portfolio and put a lot of money into Estee Lauder. So we want to look at a couple of stocks in that area that we still believe can do very well, no matter what the environment in the market is. One, of course, would be Novo Nordisk. Definitely looks like it's based out. That's a stock now that you can really control the risk. You don't want to see that break under $69. It's trading over 70. That's where you want it to keep. And that's a stock that can go way higher, because recently I read that even teenagers now, they're saying a lot of teenagers, more so than ever before that have been polled, are using Wegovy, which is Novo Nordisk's product, to lose weight. That is a trend that is going to continue. And that's just one of the areas to look at, the actual drug company. You also want to look at everything that would be impacted by a new consumer who feels good about themselves. That would be dating, exercise, going to the gym, skincare, beauty, hair, everything that basically has been kept out of their lives because they didn't feel good about themselves, now emerging as this new vanity consumer. Okay, that's it for now. Thank you so much for watching. Talk to you again soon.